Pakistan, a land rich in culture, history, and tradition. Amidst its vibrant landscapes and bustling cities, a new generation of poets has emerged, weaving words into powerful expressions of love, pain, hope, and resilience. This documentary delves into the lives and works of recent Pakistani poets who have captured the essence of contemporary life through their verses. Modern Pakistani poetry is a reflection of the country's complex identity, blending traditional forms with contemporary themes. In the past decade, a wave of new poets has taken the stage, each bringing a unique voice and perspective.
Faiz Ahmad Faiz, 1911 to 1984, was a renowned 20th-century Urdu poet, journalist, and educationist. He is considered one of the most significant poets in the Urdu language. Faiz's work ranged from romantic poetry to themes of social and political issues, highlighting human rights, oppression, and justice. Born on February 13, 1911, in Sialkot, British India, now Pakistan, Faiz Ahmad Faiz was the son of Sultan Muhammad Khan, a respected lawyer. He received his early education at Mission High School in Sialkot and went on to complete his master's degrees in English literature and Arabic from Murray College and Oriental College in Lahore, respectively. Faiz began writing poetry at a young age, and his first collection of poems, Nakush-e-Faryadi, was published in 1941. His poetry often blended classical traditions with contemporary themes, making his work both timeless and relevant. Faiz was deeply influenced by Marxist ideology and was actively involved in leftist politics, which is reflected in his writing. Throughout his life, Faiz faced political persecution for his beliefs. He was imprisoned multiple times, most notably in 1951 for his alleged involvement in the Rawalpindi conspiracy case. Despite these challenges, Faiz continued to write, and his poetry became a voice for the oppressed and marginalized. Some of his most famous works include Dast-e-Saba, Zindan-Nama, and Sar-e-Wadi-e-Sina. Faiz's poetry has been translated into many languages, and his influence extends beyond South Asia, resonating with readers around the world. Faiz Ahmad Faiz passed away on November 20, 1984, but his legacy lives on through his powerful and evocative poetry, which continues to inspire and move people to this day.
जैसे सहराओं में होले से चले बात, रात यूं दिल में तेरी खोई हुई याद आई, जैसे वीराने में चुपके से बाहर आ जाए। जैसे सहराओं में होले से चले बात नसीम, जैसे बीमार को बेवजह करार आ जाए। बोल के लब आज़ाद हैं तेरे, बोल जुबां अब तक तेरी है, तेरा सुतमा जिस्म है तेरा, बोल कि जान अब तक तेरी है। देख क्या हंगर की दुकान में तुंद हैं शोले, सुर्ख आहन, खुलने लगे कुफलों के दहाने, फैला हर एक जंजीर का दामन। बोल ये थोड़ा वक्त बहुत है जिस्म जुबां की मौत से पहले, बोल कि सच जिंदा है अब तक, बोल जो कुछ कहना है कह ले।